Police finally arrest sixth and final suspect who killed actor Dumi Maisi Leela. The sixth and last suspect in the 2017 murder case of actor Gauteng Dumisani Maisi Leela has been arrested. Gauteng police said the 34-year-old man who was arrested on Friday would make his first court appearance in the Benoni Magistrates Court on Monday, after which he would join his alleged accomplices for trial, which has been set down for October 8 to 9 in the Pretoria High Court. Maisi Leela was shot dead a year ago during a hijacking in Tembisa South. Police were able to establish that a total of 6 suspects were behind the murder. The initial 4 were arrested last year, while the 5th suspect died in a robbery. All suspects have been positively linked to 5 cases: the murder of Dumisani Maisi Leela, 3 carjackings reported in Daveyton-Phokeng and Siyabuswa respectively, and a case in Boitkang of possession of stolen cell phone, police spokesperson Brigadier Mathapelo Peters said. The Provincial Commissioner of Police in Gauteng, Lieutenant General Diloe Dalang, has commended the intelligence-led multidisciplinary team of investigators for their tireless effort in making sure that all 6 suspects were rounded up and arrested. This successful arrest brought about by such meticulous investigation will go a long way in ensuring that serious and violent crimes plaguing Gauteng are reduced to their lowest level, said Dalang.